So I have a question from a student Nafisa Parveen, class 9, and the question is, if we are standing in a room, then the air column is only up to the ceiling. Then how can we say that we experience the same atmospheric pressure as standing in the open field, that is 10 to the power 5 pascals? That's the question. Very good question, Nafisa. And to understand this, first you should know the mechanism how air exerts pressure. The molecules of air which are striking the surface, they are exerting force. And then that force per unit area is the pressure. Okay. So the pressure is because of the force. Force is because of the air molecules striking, and how much that force will be, that will depend on how many molecules are striking a given area per unit time and with what speed. If you have too many molecules striking per second, per centimeter square, then you will have high pressure. If there are too few collisions, then you will have low pressure. And if the molecules which are striking, they have large speeds, then they will exert more force, so larger pressure once again, and so on. So that is the mechanism. Okay, so it doesn't depend on whether you are in an open field or you are in a room. The pressure will depend on the density, number of molecules existing per unit volume, and then the speeds, that will depend on the temperature. So if the temperature is same and density of the air is same, then it will exert the same amount of pressure. So that is the clue. And your in the room also, your windows at least sometimes they are open, so you have an exchange of air from outside, and so the density outside, density inside will be the same. Temperature outside, temperature inside will be slight difference. Okay, slight difference. Density also may be slightly different only, but by and large, it is not related to the height of the ceiling, the height of the room, or if we are in open, height of the whole atmospheric column. Then it so happens that the weight of the atmospheric column till the top of the atmosphere, that weight divided by the area, whatever area you have taken on the ground, happens to be same as the pressure which is exerted because of the density and the temperature. Alright, so you have almost the same pressure in a room or in an open field.